Gentlemen, welcome to Eugene's kayaking adventures. If you look to your right, you got some trees. If you look to your left, you got some more trees. You got some trees, and your left, you got trees.
Was honestly like a first aid kit. Where are you now? Where are you now? Remember that kid, didn't know when to quit. I still lose my breath when I think about it. Oh, where'd you go? Oh, where'd you go?
Look forward. You got like a rock or a... Oh yeah, it's a rock. Look to your left, got some trees. Now if you look to your right, you got some more green trees, healthy for the environment.